I think going away from this course now, there is no doubt in who I am. I have such belief in myself. The permission is there just to be me. Yeah, it's amazing. It's just been an incredible journey. I have quite high expectations of myself. I don't like letting people down. I don't like letting myself down. And when I let people down, that sense of worthlessness is very strong. I'd say it's probably an 8 out of 10. When there's moments when you struggle or something happens in your life, it definitely knocks you. It'd probably cost me my marriage. Maybe ruin my relationship with my kids. Fear of rejection is probably a 9 for me. I think a lot of things come into that as well. The worthlessness, the hurt, it seems to all mesh in together. It just doesn't feel nice when you're not doing a good job, when you know you can do something different, or if you were more confident you could do something different. The hurt that I felt previously just stopped me from living and loving life, and now I can't even feel it in my body. I cannot feel it, and I feel so free from that. It's an absolute miracle. I can see it just making such a difference for my family. Yeah, I'm me. Yeah, I'm me now, and I can just enjoy my family. Yeah. Feeling so worthless before, it was a place that I just felt that I couldn't get out of. Everything dragged me down. Yeah, and now I have such a sense of purpose and a sense of who I am, and it's just incredible. It's something I could never have expected. Fear of rejection, now I see it very different. I see myself as who I am, and I see others as who they are, and that it's just honestly a choice. If they like me, they'll like me, and if what I've got to offer is for them, then that's great. If it's not, it's just not for them. So yeah, I'm just really comfortable with that, comfortable with who I am, yeah, and what I've got. A lot of other courses, I feel they do have a lot of great information. They are very they're very useful. However, I think what I've learned here is that there's nothing else like it. Absolutely nothing else like it. Yeah, it's a complete and whole course. It covers everything, and it gives you a tool that works. Yeah, no question. Gee, if you're considering doing it, don't even think. Don't even sit on your hands and wonder if it works. After that first Creatrix process and feeling the difference within myself, just feeling the whole shift, skepticism just disappeared. Yeah. Investing in this course and learning about Creatrix is the best investment I could have ever done.